vegetarian is easy and delicious. Has anyone ever tried white stir-fried rice noodles that are spicy?
That's right today. I was in the mood for white stir-fried rice noodles, but with a spicy kick. So I whipped up this deliciously peppery spicy version and my family and I couldn't get enough. If you love stir-fried rice noodles, you've gotta try this. I devoured a huge plate myself, haha. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: bihun, cabbage, carrot, peppercorn, dried chilies, ginger. You can soften rice noodles in cold water. Just soak them for about 15 to 20 minutes until they're pliable but still slightly chewy. Rice noodles are rice's slimmer avatar, made by steaming rice batter into strands, losing some water but keeping its carb-loaded soul. Wash the Sichuan peppercorns, clean the dried chilies, and snip them into segments. The stir-fried rice noodles with dried chilies taste irresistibly spicy and fragrant, with the chili's smoky aroma making the dish even more appetizing. The vibrant orange color of the shredded carrots makes the stir-fried rice noodles visually appealing and whets the appetite. Their natural sweetness blends perfectly with the savory taste of the noodles, adding depth to the flavor. When stir-fried until tender, the carrots develop a slight caramelized aroma, enhancing the overall harmony of the dish. Minced ginger helps remove unwanted odors while enhancing aroma, making the stir-fried rice noodles more flavorful. Its mild spiciness cuts through greasiness, adding a refreshing and appetizing touch. Ginger warms the body, improves blood circulation, and helps relieve colds and indigestion. It also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, boosting immunity. The crisp texture of cabbage adds a satisfying crunch to the stir-fried rice noodles, making each bite more enjoyable. Its mild sweetness balances the savory flavors of the seasoning, creating a more harmonious taste. When stir-fried until tender, cabbage develops a subtle caramelized aroma, enhancing the overall fragrance of the dish. Let's fry bihun. Stir-fry condiments until release flavor. The seared dried chilies unleash an intense smoky aroma, building a fiery and addictive flavor foundation for the stir-fried noodles. Add a tablespoon of chili oil. Omit if you don't like spicy. The Sichuan peppercorns burst with tingling fragrance in hot oil, weaving with the heat to create the iconic numbing spicy sensation. Ginger's pungent sharpness cuts through grease while amplifying the umami of seafood or meats. These three spices and chili oil work synergistically at high heat, coating every rice noodle strand with complex aromas that linger delightfully. Toss in shredded carrot and cabbage. Seasoning with salt and white pepper, salt to taste. Stir-frying shredded carrots and cabbage with salt and pepper in advance draws out their natural sweetness, resulting in a tenderer, juicier texture. The subtle spicy aroma of pepper salt infuses the vegetables, adding a warm and appetizing note to the stir-fried noodles. Add just 2 to 3 tablespoons of water when stir-frying rice noodles, maintaining medium heat to ensure even hydration without turning mushy. Incorporate water gradually until the noodles glisten and achieve a springy, al dente texture. Too much water makes noodles sticky, while too little leaves them dry. Mastering the balance is essential. Gently flip the noodles to coat them in sauce, then switch to chopsticks for stir-frying to maintain their structure. Chopsticks gently separate the noodles, preventing clumping or breaking during stir-frying to maintain perfect texture. Unlike spatulas, chopsticks allow precise control to ensure even heating and sauce coating for every strand. There you go, fragrant white rice noodles stir-fried with chili and peppercorn salt. Irresistible. My whole family is obsessed with this stir-fried noodles recipe now, trust me, you'll love it too. Pre-seasoned vegetables blend more seamlessly with the noodles, creating a richer, savory depth in every bite. The distinctive numbing spice of Sichuan peppercorns stimulates taste buds, boosts appetite, and helps eliminate meat odors. When stir-fried, dried chilies release an intense spicy aroma, adding irresistible wok-fired fragrance to dishes. Their combination creates the classic Malin numbing spicy flavor that stimulates appetite and improves blood circulation. Sichuan peppercorns have antibacterial properties, while dried chilies are rich in vitamin C, making them beneficial when consumed in moderation. I have just started to be vegan for a few months. I have also been trying to learn simple vegetarian recipes. I found that vegetarian food is not only healthy and delicious, but also very easy to make. If you are a vegan beginner like me, let's learn to cook vegetarian food together. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For OVO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.